Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Dear viewers, in this video today I wanna explain some autumn nail designs, arts and ideas with colorful colors combinations with autumn designs. Depend on your moods. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you. In this video, you can see different types and different arts about autumn season. Autumn season is all about shedding of the leaf and very sadness feeling. To remove the sadness feeling, nail designs and colors increase the charm and beauty in your life. In this video, please pick the different ideas about nails, colors, etc. Please hit the bell icon button. By hitting the bell icon, you can see all my videos about beauty and fashion. You can also comment to me. Your comments is also valuable for me. By comments, you can tell me about your likes and dislikes about videos and your like topics at which I can prepare another video. In this video, I am excited to bring you a fantastic collection of autumn nail designs that will perfectly complement the season's cozy vibes. In this video, you can see a variety of stunning nail art designs that will inspire you to get creative and express your style during this beautiful time of the year. If you are autumn lover, then this video is for you. From this video, you can pick many unique ideas about nail colors and nail polish designs. As you see in this video, there are a different glittery, shiny nail arts are here. By this charming nails art, you can refresh your mood and increase the beauty of your personality. As you all live that, as the leaves change the colors and the air turns crisp, it's the perfect opportunity to switch up your nail game and embrace the rich and warm hues of autumn. Whether you prefer muted neutrals, bold shells tones, or earthy shades, I have got you covered with an array of designs that will suit every taste and occasions. In this video, there is a selection of a huge classic fall themed designs. Imagine delicate leaf pattern in shades of golden yellow, burnt orange, and deep burgundy carefully adorning your nails. These designs capture the essence of autumn and bring a touch of nature's beauty to your fingertips. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance, we also have sophisticated design for you, featuring intricate pattern inspired by cozy knotwear, plate prints, and intricate These designs will instantly elevate your look and make a stylish statement. Dear viewers, as you see that all nail designs are very good.